On your marks. Get set. Go! Come on, girls. Oh, down we went. Down we... Oh, look at the winners. Callie and Jonah. Woo-hoo. They won.
Let's try again.
All right.
No, it's the boys' turn.
Best 2 out of 3?
Best 2 out of 3. All right, girls.
Help me up.
Good. Partners in action. There we go.
Let's try and practice.
All right.
Wait, what are we doing now?
We're going to go again. All right, girls. Are you ready?
Like this.
Raise your hand if you're ready. There we go. On your marks. Get set. Banana. Oh, ha ha. On your marks. Get set. Go. Herd of elephants. Oh, backwards, 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 backwards. Oh. All right. No falling this time. Good job.
That's the winner.
All right.
Wait, we have to switch legs. My left leg first. Mine too.
It's over. Callie, Jonna, you win. Yoo-hoo!
Okay, boys.
Good job, girls.
Somebody has to be one of the boys' partner.